Every parent has that moment of checking the door frame where they mark their child's height. You see the lines barely moving, and that tiny seed of worry starts to grow. It is a natural instinct to want the best for your kids. But some companies see that worry as a business model. They flood your social media feeds with promises of growth spurts in a bottle. They call it a spark for growth. But let's pull back the curtain on what is really happening here. You look at the back of the bottle and it is just basic nutrition. We are talking about various forms of vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium. These are things you find in a standard multivitamin or a balanced diet. Yes, they support bone health. That is a fact. If a child is truly lacking these nutrients, a supplement might help them reach their genetic ceiling, but it will not raise the ceiling itself. Science tells us that 60 to 80% of height is baked into your DNA. You cannot outrun your biology with a handful of pills. These companies love to mention clinical studies to sound official, but try finding a link to a real peer-reviewed paper on their site. It is not there. This whole industry has a history of making wild claims. We have seen the government step in before. One company had to pay nearly $400,000 in a settlement. Why? Because they could not prove their height-boosting claims. It is the same story over and over. When you look at the feedback from actual customers, the picture gets even darker. The ratings are abysmal. We are talking about a flood of one-star reviews. People are reporting major quality control failures. One month, the pills are one color. The next month, they are completely different. That is a huge red flag when you are talking about something a child swallows. Then there is the cost factor. These brands often use pre-ticked boxes. They sign you up for a monthly charge without you even realizing it. You end up burning $400 a year. That is a lot of money for something that experts say is scientifically impossible for a healthy kid. The hard truth is simple. The government does not approve these supplements before they hit the market. They hit the shelves without any official check. It is a fundamental honesty problem. The marketing targets your anxiety instead of providing real solutions. If you are genuinely concerned about a growth chart, the internet is the wrong place to look. You should be talking to a pediatrician. They can run actual tests. They can find real deficiencies. Buying into these vague promises is just paying a high price for a false sense of control. It is time to stop letting these brands profit off parental stress. We have to be smarter than the marketing. Focus on the facts. Keep your money in your pocket. Your child's health is too important to leave to unverified claims from a flashy website. Be direct. Be skeptical. Always look for the evidence before you click buy. It is about protecting your family and your wallet from empty promises. Stay curious and stay informed.